Hey, what's up guys? Whether you're looking to join the PC Master Race or just replace your console, today we're going to talk about the best budget build for 2018. Alright, so the budget of this video is $500 and we're going to be looking at two options, used and new. Hopping onto eBay and searching up used gaming PCs, you can find some great deals, although you will have to do some searching. The one I have here is $361 or sold for $361 and features a GTX 970 and a 4th Gen i5. Alright, so moving over to the new side of things, I've put together a Ryzen APU build. To kick off this build, we're going to be using the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G APU, which features a quad-core processor and a 3.7 boost clock. Best of all, it can be found for around $100 on Newegg. This paired with the MSI B350M Gaming Pro motherboard offers an unstoppable budget combo. As for RAM, we're going to be using the Patriot Viper Series 4 DDR4 8GB stick set. This set comes with 2 sticks of 4GB, and the best part is, it comes in at just $67.99. Moving on to the star of the show, we have the MSI GTX 1050 Ti Gaming X 4GB variant. This card comes in at $179 with a $20 rebate, which is a great deal, and offers a 1468 boost clock, a 1354 base clock, and a 7008 memory frequency. As for storage, we're going to be using the 7200 RPM Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive that comes in at just $45.99. Although if you do have a bigger budget, I would recommend picking up an SSD because it'll make the snappiness of your PC much faster. As for a case, here I've got the Corsair Carbide Series ATX mid-tower case coming in at just $59.99. Although casing is really a personal preference and really should be based around your budget, so if you have a bigger budget, I would recommend something like an H300i or an H500i, but if you have a smaller budget, then you should probably look around and find something cheaper. Anyway, that's this month's build. Drop a sub if you like what you see, and I'll see you in the next video.